are various measures within the programme, but overall the aim is to develop the digital capability of the workforce. So that is the measure of success. And in order to measure that, we need a baseline. So at the moment, we're really focused on having a statistically significant number of responses from across all health boards and across all professions. And once we have that baseline, we'll use that information to inform our planning and perhaps some targeted interventions. But really, once we have a baseline, then we can look at the digital capability in a year's time, in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, and see where any of our interventions have had an impact and look at any particular trends across Wales.